everyone, welcome back to the channel Celebs Record. Today we are diving into the incredible life of Toma Ikota, from his breakout role in Diamond City to becoming a true Japanese icon. Stick around as we uncover in 2025 lifestyle, career journey and the legacy he is building. So let's get right into the video. Let we know about his early life. Toma Aikota was born on 7th of October 1984 in Moran, Hokkaido, Japan. He developed an interest in performing arts from a young age and was inspired by the entertainment culture in Japan. He joined Johnny and Associates, a major Japanese talent agency, at the age of 11, which laid the foundation for his future career. Let we know about his education. Toma attended Horikoshi High School, a prestigious institution known for producing many entertainers. Although details about higher education are limited, his early training through Johnny's Jr. included rigorous lessons in acting, singing, and dancing. Career of Toma Aikota. Aikota's career began as a member of Johnny Jr.'s, where he gained attention for his acting talent. His breakout role came in the drama Hanakimi 2007, where he became a household name. He continued with its role in Mao, Honey, and Clover Osazaki no Himawari, and films like Ninjin Shikaku and the Male Song series. Known for his versatility, Toma has also performed in stage plays, showing his depth as a performer. Family of Toma Aikota. Toma comes from a modest family background and tends to keep his personal life private. He married actress Nana Sino in 2020, and the couple is known for being low-key but supportive of each other's careers. Ethnicity of Toma. Toma Aikota is Japanese, born and raised in Japan, and proud of his cultural roots. Marital status. Toma Aikota is married to actress Nana Sino. The relationship is seen as stable and grounded within the Japanese entertainment industry. Let we know about his cars collections. While Toma doesn't frequently showcase a flashy lifestyle, it's believed he owns a few luxury cars typical of high-earning celebrities in Japan. However, he is known more for his modest and down-to-earth public image than extravagance. Social media fan following. Unlike many Western celebrities, Toma maintains a low profile on social media platform. However, fan accounts and media coverage keep his presence alive online. He has a dedicated fan base in Japan and other parts of Asia, with fan pages amazing hundreds of thousands of followers across platforms. Interesting facts of Toma Aikota. Number 1. Toma was very officially a part of a debut Johnny group but remains one of the agency's most successful solo actors. Fact number 2. He is close friend with fellow Johnny's idols such as Jun Matsumoto and Shun Oguri. Fact number 3. He has a passion for theater and often returns to the stage despite a successful film or television career. And fact number 4, he rarely grants personal interviews, maintaining an air of mystery around his private life. At last of them, let we know about his total net worth. As of 2025, Toma Aikota's estimated net worth is around $5 to $8 million. This comes from his acting roles, commercial endorsements, and long-term presence in the Japanese entertainment scenes. Though not as internationally known as some peers, he is respected and successful within Japan's entertainment industry. So my friend, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring Toma Aikota's inspiring journey, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more celebrity lifestyle stories. See you in the next video and take care. All the best.